I like going for nature walks, and I like going with my friends, and we see chickens, ants, and also we see dogs, we see cats, and we see ladybirds, and also we pick flowers, and also we smell the flowers. All the flowers looks pretty, and we put flowers in our hair, and that's all. We also saw horses, and also the horses was looking cute. There was big ones and small ones, and they were looking so pretty and cute as well. And also when we go for nature walks, we get fresh air, and I like running with my friends.